Hello guys, and welcome to this video, where we'll be discussing the top 10 artificial intelligence tools that can skyrocket your income. AI is revolutionizing the way we work, and these tools are game changers for businesses and individuals looking to boost their productivity and profits. So, let's dive in and explore these powerful AI tools. Number 10. Amazon Recognition. Amazon Recognition is a powerful AI-powered image and video recognition tool that can be used to detect and analyze objects, scenes, and faces within images and videos. With its advanced features, businesses can use Amazon Recognition to build sophisticated applications for image and video analysis. One way to earn from Amazon Recognition is by integrating it into your existing applications and offering image and video recognition services to your clients. You can charge a fee for these services, helping to boost your income. Another way to earn from Amazon Recognition is by developing custom solutions using the tool's advanced features. For example, you can build an application that automatically detects and flags inappropriate content in images or videos, which could be sold to clients in various industries. Number 9. Zapier. Zapier is a popular automation tool that can help you streamline your workflow and save time on repetitive tasks. It allows you to create zaps, which are automated workflows that connect two or more apps or tools. With Zapier, you can integrate a wide range of apps, such as Google Sheets, Trello, Slack, and MailChimp. For example, you can set up a zap that automatically adds new subscribers from your website to your MailChimp list, or one that creates a new Trello card when you receive an email in Gmail. As for earning, Zapier offers a referral program that rewards users for referring new customers. When someone signs up using your referral link and becomes a paying customer, you'll earn a 30% commission on their subscription fees for the first year. This can add up quickly, especially if you have a large network or audience that could benefit from using Zapier. Number 8. IBM Watson. IBM Watson is one of the most well-known AI tools that offer a wide range of features to help individuals and businesses improve their productivity and decision-making processes. With Watson, you can analyze unstructured data such as images, videos, and natural language text, allowing you to gain valuable insights into your business. One way to earn from IBM Watson is by leveraging its capabilities to create innovative AI-powered products and services that solve specific business problems. Another way is by providing consulting services to organizations that want to integrate Watson into their existing systems. As a developer, you can also earn by building custom applications using Watson's APIs and selling them to clients. Overall, IBM Watson can help you create new revenue streams and increase your income potential. Number 7. Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that can help businesses of all sizes understand how their website or mobile app is performing. With Google Analytics, you can track and analyze user behavior, measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns, and identify areas for improvement. One way to earn from Google Analytics is by using it to improve your website's user experience. By tracking user behavior, you can identify which pages are causing visitors to leave your site and make improvements to those pages to increase engagement and conversions. You can also use Google Analytics to track the effectiveness of your advertising campaigns. By setting up goals and tracking conversions, you can determine which campaigns are generating the most revenue and adjust your advertising budget accordingly. Finally, you can use Google Analytics to identify new revenue opportunities. By analyzing user behavior, you may discover that users are frequently searching for a product or service that you don't currently offer. You can then use this information to expand your offerings and increase your revenue. Number 6. Tableau. Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool that uses artificial intelligence to help businesses analyze and interpret large data sets. With Tableau, you can create interactive visualizations and dashboards that enable you to explore and understand complex data quickly and easily. Tableau can help you earn money in several ways. First, if you are a data analyst, Tableau can help you increase your productivity and effectiveness, allowing you to take on more clients and charge higher fees. Second, if you are a business owner, Tableau can help you identify new opportunities and streamline your operations, leading to increased profitability. Finally, If you are a freelancer or consultant, Tableau skills are in high demand, and you can earn a good income by offering your services to clients who need help with data visualization and analysis. Number 5. Tensorflow. Tensorflow is an open-source machine learning library developed by Google. It is one of the most popular AI tools used for creating and training deep learning models. Tensorflow offers a wide range of features such as data flow graphs, automatic differentiation, and support for multiple programming languages. It is highly customizable, which makes it suitable for a variety of applications. One of the ways to earn from Tensorflow is to use it for building custom AI models for clients. You can offer your services as an AI developer and charge a fee for creating and training models for businesses that require them. Another way is to develop your own AI-based products using Tensorflow and monetize them through various channels, such as selling licenses or offering subscription-based services. Tensorflow has a vast and supportive community, which can help you with the development and marketing of your AI products. Number 4. Grammarly Business. Grammarly Business is an AI-powered writing tool designed for businesses to improve their communication and writing skills. It can help teams enhance their writing accuracy, clarity, and tone to ensure that their content is professional and effective. By using Grammarly Business, businesses can save time and increase productivity by reducing the need for time-consuming manual proofreading and editing. The tool also helps avoid embarrassing typos and grammar mistakes in important business communications such as emails, reports, and presentations. In terms of earning potential, businesses can leverage Grammarly Business to enhance their reputation and increase their client base by producing high-quality, error-free content. This can lead to higher conversion rates and more revenue-generating opportunities. Additionally, individuals can also benefit from using Grammarly Business to improve their writing skills, which can lead to better job opportunities and higher salaries. Number 3. Snatchbot. Snatchbot is a popular AI tool that enables businesses to build chatbots and automate customer interactions. With Snatchbot, you can create chatbots without any coding knowledge and integrate them into your website, Facebook Messenger, and other messaging platforms. This tool also provides real-time analytics to track user interactions and improve the chatbot's performance. To earn from Snatchbot, you can offer chatbot development and automation services to businesses. You can charge a one-time fee for creating the chatbot and a monthly subscription for maintaining and updating it. Additionally, you can offer custom integrations and analytics services to clients to further increase your income. With Snatchbot, you can streamline customer interactions and generate more revenue for your business. Number 2. Jarvis. Jarvis is an AI-powered writing tool that can help content creators, marketers, and businesses create high-quality written content quickly and efficiently. This tool can generate blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions, and even entire websites. With Jarvis, you can save time and money on content creation while still producing top-notch material. It's easy to use and can be customized to match your brand's voice and style. You can also use Jarvis to optimize your content for SEO and improve your search engine rankings. If you're a content creator or marketer, you can use Jarvis to increase your productivity and output. By creating more high-quality content, you can attract more traffic to your website, generate more leads, and ultimately increase your income. Number 1. ChatGPT. As an AI-based language model, ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool for businesses and individuals looking to improve their productivity and efficiency. With its ability to generate human-like responses and provide personalized recommendations, ChatGPT can be used for a variety of purposes, including customer support, content creation, and data analysis. One way to earn money using ChatGPT is to offer AI-powered chatbot services to businesses. By integrating ChatGPT into their websites or social media accounts, businesses can provide 24/7 customer support, which can lead to increased customer satisfaction and sales. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used to generate high-quality content, which can be sold to businesses or used to attract more traffic to a website. So there you have it, the top 10 artificial intelligence tools that can help you take your income to new heights. Remember to do your research, Try out different tools and find the ones that work best for you and your business. With the power of AI, the possibilities are endless. Good luck!